Hello everyone, myself Paul Makwana, Assistant Professor of EC Department at LG Institute of Engineering Technology. Welcome to the session of Digital System Design. So, from the number 1, that is a review of number system, logic gates and Boolean algebra. We will study a 4 variable map, simplification of 4 variable K map. What is the use of prime implicants, 5 variable K map. What is a don't care condition and the example of it. Now the 4 variable K map, as we have discussed in the last session, that the 4 variables are going to be placed like 2 variable row wise, 2 variable column wise. Total 2 raised to 4, 16 boxes are there. So it is going to be placed like 0 0 0 0, that means M0, 0 0 0 1 M1, 0 0 1 1 M3, 0 0 1 0 M2. Likewise, M4, M5, M6, M7, M8, M9, M10, M11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Alright, total 16 boxes are there, starting from M0 to M15, right? So 4 variable terms which is having a rectangles, like if a single one is there, so we need to represent it like with the above 4 variables, 4 main terms. 2 ones and 3 variable, 4 ones, 2 variable, 8 ones, 1 variable, 16 ones, that means 0 variable. So a 4 variable map, if we need to reduce the Boolean function, let us take one example. Let us group of 4 numbers of 1. If the 4 numbers of 1 are going to be grouped in this 4 box, like the blue grouping. Okay, so what is the common term? The common term will be, first we need to check it out row wise, that is W dash, column wise, that is 5. So for this 4 group of ones, it will be W dash 1. Alright, consider the red box. M5, M7, M13, M15. First see row wise. What is common? Common term is X. Column wise, common term is Z. Alright. So in this way, we can also make a group of 8 number of ones, whether it is in the center of the map or at the corner of the map. Okay, so this green group, the yellow one group, okay, the red one by flipping the K map. Alright, the orange one at the corner of the group. Alright, so we are able to make group of 2 ones, 4 ones, 8 ones, and a 16 ones of group. So the common term is 1. Alright. Now let us take one example, the 4 variable K map. The example is given as summation small m 0, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 12, 10, 13 and 15. Now how to place inside the K map? Over here you can see M0, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 13 and 15. Alright. Now how to make grouping? First group, this 4 ones. Second group, the horizontal 4 ones. Third group, at the corner of the 4 ones. Alright. For the blue one, what is common? W dash is not common, X is common. X, Z, the blue one. In the answer. For the red one, X bar, Z dash. For the green one, the horizontal one, W dash X directly. Okay. Now the 4 variable map simplification. Let's take on another example. 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 13, 14, 15. So we are not able to make a group of adjacent these 2 and another 2. That's like 4 group of ones. Alright. We need to place it like these 2 ones, these 2 ones, these 2 ones, these 2 and these 2. So you will get the boolean function like this: w dash x y dash for this green one, w dash y z for this orange one, w x y for the blue one, and w y dash z for the red one. Alright. So if you want to do a systematic simplification, we require a prime implicant. So it is a cube, that is a product term obtained by combining the maximum possible number of adjacent squares in the map into a rectangle. With how many numbers of squares are there? It is a power of 2. Alright. So the prime implicant is called an essential prime implicant if it is the only prime implicant that covers more than one midterms. Alright. So the set of prime implicant covers all the midterms for each midterm. Alright. Which is the function at least of one prime implicant in the set of prime implicant includes the midterm. Now let us take one example to clear a doubt about what we mean by prime implicant. Now the prime implicant means prime implicant, consider that this example 0, 2, 3, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 is there. Alright. So over here, place the one on this mentioned midterms 0, 2, 3, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. One group of 8 ones, another group of 4 ones. So for group of 8 ones, you will get answer A, 1. Okay. For the group of the corner 4 ones, we will get B bar C. And the last one, B bar, D bar. Okay. Let's take another example. Function A, B, C, D. This is given. Sorry. Place a 1 for the corresponding position and make a group of 1s. You will get the below answers. Okay, the method is same. Okay. Now, what about the 5 variable K-map? So, it is a combination of two 16 variable K-map. One here, a 1 4 variable K-map for A bar, another 4 variable K-map for A. So, total M0, M1, M2, M3 up to M31. Total 32 boxes are there. Alright. So this is the example of 5 variable K-map in which you are able to place the one at corresponding position at the function which is given as g of v w x y z. So place 1 accordingly. Make group of ones in such a way that it will cover a more number of ones. Okay? And write it the expression like, let us take the one example. See, this 4 ones. What is common in the row wise? x1 is common. What is common in column wise? x3. Okay? Over here x1 bar is common, over here x3 is common. So write it like this. As two these groups are present in x5 and x5 bar. Okay, so you don't need to write x5 x5 bar. Similarly for the second and the third prime implicant. Alright, so these all are the prime implicant. So 3 prime implicants are there. So what is don't care? Don't care means we are going to represent it with the help of cross, whether its value is 0 or 1. So what is the use of it? We are able to reduce the Boolean function. Okay, the input value for the midterm will never occur, or the output value for the midterm is not used. It is called a don't care condition. In this case, output value is not to be defined. Okay, so for that we can define it as a don't care. So what are the selection rule? What are the example of the don't cares? So you need to write it like cross for the don't care. Already in the example you will find out that the function is given as like this, which is having a don't care condition at this is position. Okay. So for it you need to place a cross at the corresponding positions, and you need to include the cross, but not to include zeros. Right? So one you will get this group, green one, another one you will get this group. For this it is denoted as x dash, and for this it is y z. Okay, so this is your answer for the don't care condition. This is the way how to solve the example using don't care condition. But still, if you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime on my video. Till then, thank you for your attention.